My name is Mark Lockwood. I got started in the industry in the late 90s by becoming an earth mover tyre technician and doing surveys on mines and inspecting tyres from a technical aspect for a construction company. I'm currently the National Sales Manager for the panel division of Capricorn. I love the diversity in the industry and the fact that we are an ever-evolving industry. It's never the same every day. It's really good to see, even a show like today, there's so much change and innovation going on. I really love that part about the industry. I suppose there's some aspects of the industry where there's a lot of people sometimes that are been in it for a long time and are not necessarily willing to change. So that part is probably frustrating sometimes, but that said, there's still also a lot that are willing to change and to grow with the industry. There's so many people in the industry, there's so many really prominent people. It'd be hard to pick one particular, but I'd say there's so many people that you could look up to in this industry and follow. My first car was actually a Ford Escort, which I bought on some money that I made through college and cleaned up and got it going, and then sold it and bought a VW Beetle of all things. So yes, that was a real, I suppose, introduction to me to automotive fixing and repairing at a very young age, and just to get some money and obviously work my way up to getting a better vehicle at the end of the day. I currently drive a Land Cruiser because I have a love for four-wheel driving and anything outdoors. I think that would definitely be an Aston Martin. The whole aspect of Aston Martin and the whole James Bondiness about it is fantastic.